Alright, I'm going to try to take two. The first one didn't work too well, so here we go. Okay, that's that. So it looks like the switch in the door, which is right there. I'll turn the light on so you can see it. Well, it's right in there someplace. Yeah, right there. See that? It needs to be replaced. It's going bad. But I got it working. And you've seen it work. Excuse me. It needs a new door switch. The door switch is going bad. It also had, and I'm not going to look for it, but there was a mouse that was shorted out on the plug-in. It was trying to go out the hole and didn't make it, so it was shorted out on the plug-in, and we might need a plug as well. But I do know we need that. And I dropped one of the screws. Don't know where it went. I can't see because my glasses are all wet. I'm sweat. I've been working my ass off on this thing. And it works. At least at this point it does. I might have to get that switch to keep it working. Because I think that switch is going bad. It's not contacting properly, but as you can see, it's working now, but that doesn't mean it's going to continue to work. So there you go. Permanent press. Alright, there you go.